All right, everyone, we need an example for cluster sampling. You see what I wrote in the previous video for SRS and stratified. Now we need to do cluster. I see too much red on the board. Let's go to green. It can look a little Christmas-like. Let clusters be. All right, now we got to be careful. In both of these, stratified and cluster, it's easy to set it up so that you get an incorrect sample size. So with cluster, remember whatever clusters I get, everyone in that cluster will be in the sample. So if I let clusters be grade level, like I did with stratified, and let's say I pick one random cluster, I'm going to get 200 in my sample because all people in the cluster selected are in the sample. So if I'm still concerned about grade level, what if I let clusters be column number? Use column numbers (1 to 20). And if it makes more sense, this is based on row 1 seat numbers. So maybe hit pause, look at the document. Well, here, let me undo this ink and you can look at it. So each of these on row 1 is like the column number. So right here, if you can see the mouse, this is column 11. This last column over here, that's column 20. So I have 20 clusters. So if I have 20 clusters, 20 goes into 840 times, right? 40, another side note, you don't really have to write this. 40, this is just for my process here, so I know I end up with the right thing. 40 seats per column. So if I randomly pick a cluster, I'm going to get 40. So let's randomly pick 2 clusters, 2 columns. So let's see. Use column numbers 1 to 20. Write numbers 1 to 20 on identically sized pieces of paper. Place in a hat. And mix well. All right, this is the crucial step where the wording is a touch different. Draw 2 papers without replacement. All right, here's the crucial step. All students sitting in column numbers chosen are in the sample. Remember, there's 40 students in one column, so that gives us 80 in our sample. And the cool thing is I'll still have equal representation by grade level. It didn't require that. You didn't have to do that. You could have used row numbers, and there's 20 seats per row number, so we would randomly do 4 rows, and the 20 students sitting in each row selected would be in the sample. But, you know, I could very well get all seniors or all freshmen or who knows what. So it's all in the organization of it. Hopefully that made sense. This was one of the key differences right here. All students. And then up here in stratified, one of the keys to stratified is repeat process for each strata, for each grade level. That was crucial. All right, I hope that made sense. I will see you in class.